Econo-Pak is your source for food co-packing and co-manufacturing solutions. Our experts are ready to help you scale your business in our SQF Level 3 FDA-approved facility located in Milford, Pennsylvania. We specialize in dry food products across every category, from cookies and pretzels to powders and gummies. Our client portfolio consists of hundreds of brands, including Fortune 500 companies. Testimonials from our clients share the same message, that Econo-Pak consistently exceeds expectations for production and business growth. Econo-Pak utilizes over 200 machines for our high-volume co-packing and co-manufacturing services to keep up with your production demand. And we have the certifications and trained staff needed to take on your next product launch, from organic to kosher to allergen management. You can trust us to handle your product from project start to growing into new markets.